Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Lenovo Idea Tab Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit the same options in both to set them up. I agree and I acknowledge. Confirm, continue, and allow. Then tap on whatever you want to in this pop-up and click on your device's displays. Now select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Lenovo. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and hit Receive button. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!